Dames en heren, we geven dadelijk het woord aan luitenant-kolonel Arnaud Amberg. Hij is de commandant van het Franse kunstvliegteam, de Patrouille de France. Bonjour et bienvenue, monsieur d'Amberg.
Dank u. Hallo Netherlands, I am the French team, aerobatic team Patrouille de France commander, and we are very pleased to be here with you to close this show today in Leeuwarden. And after those marvelous displays, we saw the fulcrum and our friends from Italy, the Frecce Colori, who flew their display like an opera. And today, the French team is going to fly for all the national teams all over the world. Our friends from Blue Angels, our friends from Thunderbirds, Russian Knights, and our friends, our brothers from the Swiss team. And we're going to fly for them, all of them today here in Leeuwarden. I will be with you during the next 25 minutes at the commentary to explain to you who are these men and women who are daily working in the team. And as our friends from the Red Arrows, the Swiss team, and the Frecce Tricolori, we are all French Air Force officers and non-commissioned officers coming from squadrons specialized in recce missions, air defense missions, striking missions, and very motivated to become ambassadors of the French wings. Being an ambassador means that you represent throughout your display the way we are all working in the Air Force, the way we are all training, the way we are all involved, the way we are motivated to defend our country and more generally to defend peace in the world. The French team, Patrouille de France, is a team 100% dedicated to these exciting missions. 50 people are working all days to achieve this display. 9 of them are pilots, 41 mechanic engineers, training from October to May in the south of France and displaying from May to October in more than 40 sites in France, in Europe and all over the world. And the voice that you will hear, except mine, is the voice of the PAF 2016 leader, Major Christophe Dubois. Here is in the lead of the first section, number 1. He is a Mirage 2000 pilot, air defense specialized. He is in his second year in the team. The 8 aircraft are now airborne. And they will be closing up to be an 8-ship section in a few seconds. Yeah. Open all the time during the first part. Yes. Is it here? This is me? ladies and gentlemen. Coming from the right in a blue, white and red. This is the Patrouille Frankreich 2016.
Et dans la gauche. Coup de palette top. Cadence. Cadence c'est bien. Cadence encore. En diamant top. Et je renverse à droite. Maintenant. Je commence. Inclinaison. Cadence. Tricorps derrière. Et je renverse à gauche. Maintenant. La fumée, top, cadence. Cadence c'est bien. Cadence encore. Cadence c'est mieux. Et je renverse à droite. Maintenant. De 6 en losange top. Losange et la fumée top. Cadence.
Coming back from the right in a losange formation, the one who has moved
Un deuxième.
backwards is Athos number 4.
Tricolore tout le monde.
Athos number 4 is Major Nicolas Lieuwarden. He was flying Mirage F1 and Mirage 2000 before entering the team.
Coup de palette top, je rends du trim.
And Athos number 4 moving
Je commence. L'inclinaison.
from Lausanne to Canard
Canard.
is in 2016 the number 4. He will be in 2018 the leader.
En coup de trim. Un deuxième. Et top, et je renverse à gauche. Maintenant.
And now climbing high in this
Cadence.
sunny sky, the team will spread the formation to fly back to us on the display axis to perform some simultaneous rolls.
Et je dégauchis. Maintenant. Stabilise. Premier coupé, top. Tonneau, top. Rassemblement, top. Oreille à gauche. Cadence. Et sur la gauche. Cadence. Cadence bien. 2-7 en Apollo top.
just listen the leader's voice. Following his order, the wingies are slipping right now from diamond shape to Apollo shape in honor to all of those who took part to the space conquest, this fantastic human adventure.
Et je renverse à droite, maintenant. La fumée, top, cadence. Cadence, c'est bien. Et on y va, boucle. Je rends du prix. En concorde, top.
And now the outside wingies are moving forward from Apollo to Concorde shape, symbolizing the legendary commercial aircraft building cooperation between our friends and UK.
Coup de palette, top. Et on part sur un oblique. Fumée coupée, top. Très grande flèche, top. J'augmente l'inclinaison. On raccole le trait. Cadence. Cadence, c'est bien. Coup de palette, top. On raccole le trait. En concorde, top. Et je renverse à gauche, maintenant. Tout ce j'ai 2-4.
And now from Concorde formation, they will move slightly to arrow formation to come back from our left side for a large parallel.
Je diminue l'inclinaison. Et tourne à droite. Je rends du trim. Encore.
They are located at the extreme edge of the team. I'm talking about our outer wingies, number 5 and number 6. Red smoke right now is Atos 5. Captain William Leroy, 5th year in the team. He was used to fly Mirage 2000-5. Blue smoke was Captain Bertrand Tardif, Ricky mission expert. He's in his 2nd year in the team. And now what we call the ribbon is over, and after these 12 minutes watching the team flying large evolutions in close formation, you will take part to the second part, the synchro, where after a mid-show split they will fly some evolution with 2, 4 or 6 aircraft.
Cadence. Cadence, bien. Et je dégauchis maintenant.
In blue, white and red, just in front of you.
Et la première étape.
This is the French team.
Devant,
For his
cadence.
mid-show split.
Éclatement, top et top. Fumée coupe et top.
Tour aircraft on the left, 2 aircraft on the right. We will be back on the scene in a few seconds for the first crossing maneuver for aircraft.
Virage à gauche, j'incline. Ça va. Ça va, c'est bien. 45 heures. La gauche, maintenant.
I told you, 2 on the left, 2 on the right.
Virage à gauche, j'incline. Ça va. Ça va, c'est bien. 45 heures.
As our outer wingy Atos 5 and 6 leaving the scene to have the axis free for the 2 solos, it's time for me to introduce you Atos number 7 on the right. He's the leader of the synchro pair, Mirage 2000-5 pilot. He's managing during all the display, all the crossing maneuver.
45 heures.
Captain Benjamin Michel on the right, red smoke.
Et je renverse à droite, maintenant.
And now front office, right,
Maintenant.
blue and red smoke. Our 2 Autos wingies for the slalom.
La gauche, maintenant. Stabilise. La fumée, stop.
Coming from the left, our front box for this new evolution this year. 2 in normal flight, 2 inverted flight.
La sortie, stop. Droit, clair. 40. 40, c'est bien. Virage à gauche. J'incline. Regarde avec devant. 40. Premier coup, c'est top.
Time for us to drop our 4-ship box to come back on the left side.
Et je dégauche.
The 2
Maintenant.
solos from the synchro pair for this King Stork.
Confirme au pic. Virage à gauche. J'incline. 40. 40, c'est bien. 15 encore. On vient pour un cœur oblique de couleur.
While our 2 solos climbing high in the sky from the left, coming back from the left. Our 2 Autos wingy for this 4-point roll.
40. 40, c'est bien. 40 encore. Oh, 2 coups de trait. Et je dégauchis maintenant. 2 coups de repli, couleur devant. Ah, je tape.
And being here all together here in Leeuwarden today gives us the opportunity to share with you our thinkings and never forget our friends who are engaged in operation to save peace.
Stop. Leader.
And I told you this heart is dedicated today to our friends, our brothers from the Swiss team. We love you guys.
Virage à droite.
Straight in the middle, coming from far away in the sky, our 2 solos.
40, c'est bien. 40 encore. Moyen relax devant. Et je dégauchis. Maintenant. Le 4 vérifie le trajet. 3-0 en tunnel, top.
They will be back in the act
Virage à
on
droite,
the axis in a
j'incline.
few seconds for a second crossing maneuver. We call that
Calme.
very dynamic.
Cadence bien. Cadence encore.
John Terry crossing.
Et je dégauchis maintenant. Tunnel tricolore tout le monde. En bien du trim. La prime est top.
Diving from high in the sky in a red smoke. This is Atos 5. Will turning left now to go direct
Tunnel coupé, go.
to the rest of the team in a tunnel formation.
Vitesse, mais top. Cadence. Cadence bien. Cadence encore. Cadence mieux. Et je dégauchis. Maintenant. Séparation top. Cadence à fond. Je rentre trim. Et je dégauchis. Maintenant. Cadence. Cadence bien. Cadence encore. Back à gauche, top. Je rends du trim. Cadence. Cadence bien. Cadence encore. En un coup de trim. Derry, go!
And I hope you did enjoy as much as I did this moment of aeronautical gracefulness. But now, coming from the left,
Prime coupe top. En persienne, top.
back 4 aircraft coming for this emblematic collision realized by all the teams for more than 20 years. The Sheriff 2 inverted flight 2 on the edge.
Un troisième. J'augmente l'inclinaison. Cadence. Cadence bien.
And I'm looking on my left side, looking for 4 aircraft. No, only one. This is what we call the 4 in 1.
Moyen, relax, top. Moyen, relax devant. Et je renverse à gauche. Maintenant.
They are located just next to the leader. This is our inside wingies. Atos number 2 is in the blue smoke. Captain Damien Bourmeau, Mirage F1 pilot, then Mirage 2000D pilot. He is in his first year in the team. On the left side, Atos number 3. This is Captain Cyril Touzé. He is the first Rafale pilot in the team.
Cadence à fond. Je rends du trim. Et je dégauchis maintenant.
Blue, white and red on the left, but blue, right and red just in front of you, coming back for this emblematic collision, which is Big Bang.
Cadence bien. Et je dégauchis maintenant.
And our 2 solos with the 2 outside wingies are coming back on the axis right now for last 4-ship crossing maneuver.
Cadence bien. Cadence encore.
This is the one we call See and Avoid.
Et je dégauche. Et maintenant. Avec 2 points de 87. Et les 4 sur la couleur à la fenêtre.
He will be on the left. Blue smoke. This is Atos 8. Solo number 2. This is Captain Benjamin Chana. He was a Mirage F1 pilot. Ricky Mission expert. He's in his 3rd year in the team. He's on the left.
Cadence. Cadence bien. Cadence encore. 3-0 en concorde top.
Blue smoke and inverted flight.
Concorde, vent devant. Et je dégauche. Maintenant. 3 unités. Passe à passe.
And if you have like the
3-2 pour une Apache.
dynamism and the graphism of our evolution, I know you will like the one coming from our right side,
Virage à droite.
which is called Apache.
Cadence. Cadence bien. Coup de palette top. Et leur coup de palette. La sortie top. Fumée coupe est top.
And as you can see, our 2 solos are in the joining up
3-0 et je dégauche.
phases.
Maintenant.
They will be back in front of us in a few seconds to close this show here in Leeuwarden, this 2016 show here in Leeuwarden with the final split. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being so many people here, such a great audience. Thank you for sharing the same sky and the same passion.
J'augmente l'inclinaison. Cadence. En canard, top. Prends un coup de trim. Je dégauchis maintenant.
And as we are sharing the same colors in our national flags,
On va prendre la classement final de type
the
intermédiaire.
French
En bien de
aerobatic
trim.
team is coming in front of you in a blue, white and red. This is for you, Netherlands! French aerobatic team,
Devant.
Patrouille de
Balance.
France.
Éclatement top et top. Fumée coupe et top. Attendons cap 325, demi-pied 3-0. 2, 3, 4.
Thank you very much for this applause, and I introduce to you the 8 pilots flying today. I forgot number 9, who is Capitaine Hervé Aubert, French fighter pilot. He was flying Mirage 2000-5, air defense specialist. He's on the ground ensuring safety today.
Vous allez par la gauche, Arcox, virage à gauche. J'incline.
Time for us to join up the two formation of 4 aircraft. They will be back in a few seconds, certainly from the left, for the last break before landing here in Leeuwarden. Thank you very much for being here with us today.
Thank you, sir. It was great having you. It was fantastic. Het is altijd weer zo'n genoegen om de Patrouille de France aan het werk te zien. En wat hebben we een fantastische performance van hun gezien vandaag. Dames en heren, tot zover. We gaan even wachten tot de Alpha Jets binnen zijn. Want dat is veel te lekker om nog even naar te kijken. Dus we blijven eventjes wachten tot de Alpha Jets binnen zijn. En dan hebben we nog een boodschap voor u. En de belangrijkste boodschap op dit moment is: blijft u nog even lekker hangen. Het weer is mooi. Er is nog van alles te doen op het veld. Er is nog lekker te eten, lekker te drinken. Met andere woorden, het is zonde om nu al te gaan en om in die files te gaan staan, die ik toch hier al een beetje zie ontstaan. Dus blijf maar lekker hangen. Het is des te leuker om